Look, it's hard to ignore the benefits a carrot can give when added to your diet. However, not all people have the time or energy to eat a whole carrot. So mixing carrots into a quick-serve beverage is a great solution. Carrot juice is an amazing beverage that you can add easily to your diet. And in today's video, we will be discussing its benefits. Juice made from carrots gives you a vibrant and wholesome start to the day. A glass of it provides beneficial nourishment and has an immediately recognizable, somewhat sweet, earthy flavor. Beta-carotene and vitamin A are abundant in orange carrots and carrot juice. Carrot juice has a lot of carotene, a source of vitamin A, but it also contains a lot of minerals including calcium, copper, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron, as well as B-complex vitamins like folate. Compared to fruits like apples and oranges, a pound or 454 grams of carrots will only generate roughly a cup of juice or 236 milliliters. The major challenge in juicing carrots is removing the pulp from the juice, since carrot pulp is very tough. Carrot juice's primary ingredients are recognized to provide a variety of health advantages, including the ability to prevent and treat illnesses. As a result, if you start consuming carrot juice frequently, you stand to benefit quite a lot. The distinct sweetness of concentrated carrots may be tasted in carrot juice. It is opaque, unlike a lot of other juices. It is frequently consumed as a health beverage. For hundreds of years, carrots have been used to make juices and soups. One of the earliest dyes used to make cheese darker in America was carrot juice. One 8-ounce serving of carrot juice provides a significant portion of the daily potassium requirements, as well as vitamins C and K that your body requires. Even more astounding is the massive amount of vitamin A that a glass of carrot juice provides. Before we continue, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now off to the reasons why you should start drinking carrot juice. Number 1. Carrot juice boosts immunity. Your immunity may benefit from drinking carrot juice. Carrot juice contains both vitamins A and C, which function as antioxidants and shield immune cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, this juice has more than 30% of the daily value, or DV, for vitamin B6. In only 1 cup or 240 milliliters. In addition to being essential for a healthy immune response, vitamin B6 deficiency is also associated with reduced immunity. One investigation discovered that insufficient dietary vitamin B6 prevented the development of immune cells known as lymphocytes. Number 2. Carrot juice enhances eyesight. High concentrations of nutrients in carrot juice are good for your eyes. 1 cup or 250 milliliters of carrot juice, largely in the form of provitamin A carotenoids such as beta-carotene, has more than 250% of the DV for vitamin A. For healthy eyes, vitamin A is essential. Provitamin A-rich fruits and vegetables are linked in several studies to a lower incidence of blindness and age-related eye disorders. Lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 more carotenoids that build up in your eyes, protect them from harmful light, and these are both found in large quantities in carrot juice. Increased dietary lutein and zeaxanthin intake may reduce your risk of eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration or AMD. Number 3. Carrot juice promotes heart health. Numerous variables affect heart health, including getting enough sleep, exercising, managing stress, and adhering to a balanced diet. Due to their high dietary fiber and antioxidant content, carrots can aid in preventing heart disease by enhancing blood flow and eliminating plaque from the arterial walls. Additionally, carrot juice may lower cholesterol levels. It accomplishes this by decreasing fat absorption and digestion. Number 4. Carrot juice promotes healthy skin. Carrot juice's components could be very advantageous for maintaining healthy skin. A cup of carrot juice contains more than 20% of the daily value for vitamin C, a nutrient required for the formation of collagen, the most prevalent fibrous protein in your body. This substance gives your skin strength and suppleness. Vitamin C also functions as an antioxidant to save your skin from oxidative stress. Carrot juice's beta-carotene may also benefit your skin. A carotenoid-rich diet may shield your skin from ultraviolet UV harm and enhance the look of your skin. Number 5. Carrot juice reduces cancer risk. When aberrant cells appear and grow, cancer is created. Fortunately, carrots are abundant with antioxidants that can help stop this cell deterioration before it starts. Eating fruits and non-starchy vegetables like carrots may lower your chance of getting malignancies of the mouth, esophagus, lungs, stomach, and other organs, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research. A 2018 research also discovered a link between eating carrots and the decreased risk for breast cancer, while a 2020 study discovered a similar link between eating carrots and the lower risk of colorectal cancer. Number 6. Carrot juice promotes healthy pregnancy. A developing infant needs calcium, folate, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, all of which are found in abundance in carrot juice. The infant needs calcium to develop healthy bones and cartilage. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists recommend that women who are expecting or nursing consume at least 1,000 milligrams of calcium every day. Folate, on the other hand, reduces the chance of problems in fetal development. Additionally, vitamins A and C function as antioxidants to shield the unborn child and expectant parents from free radicals, lowering the risk of illnesses. Number 7. Carrot juice improves blood sugar control. Because carrot juice contains a lot of potassium, it may even aid to manage blood sugar levels. Carrots are good for diabetics that can help prevent diabetes since they are low in calories and sugar. Carrot juice can benefit people with diabetes and reduce excessive weight gain since the fiber in it can make you feel full and stop you from eating too much. Carrot's fiber helps control blood sugar levels as well. Number 8. Carrot juice increases metabolism. Phosphorus, a vitamin that speeds up metabolism and gives your body enough energy throughout the day, is found in carrots. After a challenging workout, it can also aid in the removal of any discomfort or inflammation. Additionally, carrot juice includes vitamin B complex, which aids in the breakdown of fat, glucose, and protein in the body. As a result, it promotes the growth of lean muscle, an increase in metabolism, and weight reduction. Number 9. Carrot juice boosts your brain. According to studies, carrot juice's beta-carotene may improve cognitive performance and lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Beta-carotene may also aid in preventing the loss of brain tissue. In one 2014 trial, lead-exposed participants received beta-carotene once a day for 12 weeks. The therapy group thereafter had a reduction in oxidative stress, which is associated with brain damage. Number 10. Carrot juice prevents indigestion. A daily glass of carrot juice will aid in maintaining healthy digestive health. If you experience irregular bowel movements or discomfort, the ideal combination of soluble and insoluble fibers found in carrots promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Finally, number 11, carrot juice may protect your liver. Juice from carrots is believed to include carotenoids that support liver function. According to several research, carotenoids' anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties guard against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NFALD. Fat builds up on the liver, usually as a result of an unhealthy diet, carrying too much weight, or being obese. It could ultimately result in liver scarring and long-term harm. However, drinking carrot juice makes sure to heal your liver and avoid these issues before they become a problem. Well, that concludes the top reasons to start drinking carrot juice in this particular video. Be reminded that this video is for information only and we do not claim to provide medical advice that is tailor-suited to your needs. Consult with your nutritionist or your medical professional to seek personalized healthcare that will fit you. Additionally, leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later and thank you for watching.